Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a Geo 5G-enabled SIM and a phone that supports 5G bands. Once confirmed, update your phone OS and carrier settings so the network profiles match. This avoids registration errors. Make sure the SIM is in the correct slot if your phone has dual SIM. Many phones use SIM1 for primary data. After inserting the SIM, restart the device to force the modem to read new provisioning. This starts the actual network negotiation. Next, you navigate to Settings and open Mobile Network or Network and Internet and select the Geo SIM. Tap on Preferred Network Type and choose the 5G/4G/3G auto option, or 5G only if available and you want a strict 5G lock. Once you change it, the radio re-registers with the carrier. Give it a minute. Also check APN settings. If they were customized, reset to Geo defaults to ensure data, and VO LTE continue to work properly after the switch. To finish, verify that the 5G icon appears and run a speed test to confirm throughput. Speeds should noticeably improve. If you don't see 5G, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds and then disable it to force a fresh network attach. And if that fails, power cycle the phone and reinsert the SIM. A key troubleshooting tip: if provisioning problems persist, contact Geo with your IMEI and SIM number so they can push the 5G profile. This often resolves backend activation issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.